Hey subscribers, welcome back. This is going to be the last thing we're going to look at on the broader topic of laws of arithmetic. So this is a special property we're going to look at. We've looked at property of subtraction, we're going to look at property of division now. So let's have a go, let's get started. What I want you to do with these questions here is work out both the left and right and see if you can spot the pattern. What pattern can you spot? Can you generalize this into a rule? And then I'm going to show you what the property of division is. Okay, so pause the video and have a go first. You should have done it now. So let's see, 20, let's use order of operations. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this becomes 2. And here 20 divided by, well, we have to do brackets first. So this becomes 20 divided by 10, which in this case is 2. So you may have already spotted what the property of subtraction is, but let's do another example here. Pause the video and have a go on the second row. Okay, so hopefully you've tried this. 18 divided by 3 is going to give you 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And on the right hand side, 18 divided by, in brackets, is 6. So this just becomes 18 divided by 6, which is also 3. And in the final example, before you probably are able to figure out what the property of division is here, this is not as hard as it looks, because there's some nice number bonds, there's some nice products involved here, not number bonds. So 14,000 divided by, well, we know what this is, we made a note of this before, so let's write that. 14,000 divided by 1,000, that becomes 14. And on the second example here, 14,000 divided by 125. Now we know there are 8 lots of 125 in 1,000, so we're going to do 8 lots times 14, so that becomes 14. So this is going to give you 14,000 divided by 125 is 112 divided by 8. So you may have to do some bus stop division here, but when you do 112 divided by 8, you are going to get 14 as well. So you can see, in this case, the question on the left was much easier to work out than the question on the right. It's going to give you the same answer. So here it is, the property of division. Make a note of this in your books, or wherever you need to, whatever you use to revise. A divided by B divided by C is the same as A divided by the product of B and C. B and C cannot be 0. The reason for that is we cannot divide by 0. We're not allowed to divide by 0 in maths, so we just have to make sure we state that. So the way we're going to read this is the number A divided by 2 numbers successively means one after the other. So A divided by 2 numbers successively is equal to the number A divided by the product of those 2 numbers. And we're going to do some examples. On the next video, I'm going to show you how we can use the property of division with calculations.